Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to change the location linked to an entity on a new booking. Having a location linked to an entity allows the user to easily keep track of which room patients are located in within the practice during consultations or procedures. The location can very quickly and easily be edited at any point if the user has to move to a different room. Now we will go over how to change a location linked to an entity on a new booking. Please note that the user must first ensure that the booking locations have been set up prior to making a booking with the location linked. For more information on how to enable booking locations on the Add Edit Booking screen, please refer to the Booking Location Setup user manual linked in this video's description. From the diary screen, double-click on the desired booking time slot. Alternatively, the user can also click on the New Booking button. The Add Edit Booking screen will open. Complete the necessary fields to make a booking. For more information on how to make a booking for a new or existing patient, please refer to the Book New Patient or Book Existing Patient user manuals linked in this video's description. Click on the Location drop-down menu and select the desired location. Click on the Close button if the user would like to exit the Add Edit Booking screen without saving any changes. An attention pop-up will open advising the user that unsaved changes will be lost. Click on the Cancel button if the user does not want to lose unsaved changes. Click on the OK button if the user would like to discard all changes and return to the diary screen. If the user would like to proceed with the booking, click on the Save button once the user is satisfied with the information on the Add Edit Booking screen. The booking will be made on the selected time slot. Please note that the user is able to change the location easily from the booking time slot by using the Location drop-down menu available if the feature has been activated. For more information on how to activate the Location feature on the booking time slot, please refer to the General Settings user manual in this video's description.